This is the Woodford 35942 stem. This does fit the models 14, 17, 22, and 22V Woodford faucets. It really just depends on the length of the stem you're needing. So we'll go ahead and get a total length of the stem. We can see this one measures, get it lined up here. This one measures right at about 3 3/4 inches. And a couple things about this stem. It does have the splines here on the end, and then up to this rubber assembly, and then to the end of the stem there. You can see those internal female threads there. And we'll go ahead and take a measurement from the bottom of that rubber assembly to the top. You can see it measures right at about 1 1/4 inches. And the top has the outer diameter of right at 3/4 of an inch. And yeah, once again, this is the Woodford 35942 stem.